We threw a dart at a map and it landed in Fairplay, Colorado. So we are getting in the car and we are driving to Fairplay, Colorado right now. Like, we just threw the dart. Let's go. Come on.
West Coast sterling, all night chillin', smoking through the morning to suppress these feelings. Streets so vivid, people so livid.
It's a long drive. I've never driven that long, so.
I mean, I'm probably going to be asleep for half of it, to be honest.
I'm only excited to play the alphabet game the whole ride.
Kansas, we're coming for you. We're coming for your toll booth.
I want to find out how to tame a bear, and I want to go on some honeybee adventures with that.
What's a honeybee adventure?
We find some honeybees,
and
we just eat a fuck ton of honey, basically.
Talking about bears?
What's up?
Hey, did Alex get you yet?
Yeah, he just got me.
Well, I guess it retains to both of you, but Rob, fuck you just lost the game.
Fuck you, you stupid motherfucker.
You fucking asshole. Fuck you, buddy.
Is that all you called for?
Yeah, fuck you, prick.
Is
that gonna fit in the slot?
Yeah. Yeah.
If I get her in just right.
That's what it's talking about. Let's see. How long have we been driving, Alex? Oh, about 3.5 hours. Hey, this is our point of view. It is 12:55.
About 1 in the morning.
We're at this Pilot gas station. That's cool.
They got a Subway here. It's not 24 hours.
It is my life mission to find a 24/7 Subway.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Where we at? Where we at now?
Kansas
We're
City.
just about approaching Kansas City right here. Dude, what is that? That's a power plant or some shit. That was cool, bro. What the fuck? Is that South Wichita? Oh shit, straight. We're good.
Bruh.
Watch my speed. Yeah, what a crazy curve. No, you gotta go 45. This shit's too wild. What'd y'all get from the gas station? Double shot energy, B vitamins, energy coffee, beverage. What'd you get?
Well, water, guys, stay hydrated.
Bruh, I got some chips and some goddamn lemonade.
I don't even know where the hell we are. Kansas, like maybe, hopefully halfway through Kansas. Jack, what do we got going on? Cat on the roof action. Not exactly sure what the entire situation is. Check it out, don't worry. Oh my god, that lynx. Whoa! The lynx is coming. The lynx is on the move. Fuck. Still Kansas. But we're almost out of it. Alex, I think, is doing good. Right now, I'm past the point of no return. About to get another coffee. That's 3 for the night. I feel like it's not fucking healthy.
What's going on?
This little bug here is riding for his fucking life. He's about to die, but he doesn't know it.
Oh, Nate. Oh, bud. No.
Wait a minute.
Oh, shit.
It's flat. It's so flat. I hate this steak.
Wait a minute. What is that? Is that a fucking... Is that a little...
Colorado?
Oh my god. Look at that. Yo, no fucking way. We're looking for somewhere to go pee. Because your boy has to piss. Johnny, what's going on with Nate?
The wind is very strong, and Nate...
Hey! Alright, I guess I'll update y'all. We're in Rado. I don't know. This is what Colorado looks like. Doing a little update. We're waiting for food. Super hungry emoji.
Facts.
Hungry.
So you can kind of see the mountains now. You see Nate's beautiful face. Wow. Johnny, Rob. We got done eating, and the other guys, they're still eating. So
Yeah, we're just gonna wait because they're slow.
Yeah, Colorado.
Colorado's dope.
Hey, go Bears.
Mountains, though.
Dude, look, check it. Window, now. Look at that.
Yankee with no breath.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris